बिस्मिल्लाह दूसरी इनिंग शुरू। सीधा बॉल करेंगे। अब तो पहली बॉल शॉट लगा दी ऊपर, लेकिन एक रन का इजाफा। एक 122 का टारगेट।
शाबाश 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 शाबाश।
ऑलराइट बैटिंग कर। ये बल्ले बल्ले को ना पकड़ी। फील्डर फील्डर है। अच्छा
शाबाश 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 शाबाश।
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So very good shot by Abid, lovely shot indeed. Oh, tremendous set by Abid, second consecutive six of the over to Fida. Brilliant timing that. He came from Mecca few days ago, Abid. Pray his Umrah. Superb timing, I think. 2 sixes. Oh, well bowled that. That's good delivery outside the line of that off stump. 121-22 is the target in 8 overs. Fida Khan. Oh, good shot. Should be 4 maybe. Should be couple, I think. Yes. Easy to that occasion. Sheru Khan is the keeper. Sam Ali is the umpire. 18 runs from that first over. Asad Lund being brought back into the attack for his first and innings second over. RF. That's wide delivery. The very first delivery. I think that Wazim is in rescue 1-1-2-2. Oh, he's bowled him this time. Yarkar found the leg short. Wazim played a genuine innings today. Got his 50 maybe. 2 catches also been dropped by Zain in his innings. Behram, a good shot straight down the ground to Fida. Abid is playing a good innings today. 2 sixes been hit so far. Oh, should be couple if they run hard. Saifullah did the fieldsman. Only one. Oh. Behram bowled the very last delivery to Saif, like did Shaheen Shah Afridi to kill Rahul in the World Cup, I think. Oh, a lovely shot straight down the ground. Huge hit. Brilliant shot. Behram is a genuine all-rounder, I think. Bowled his last 2 overs brilliantly today. Wazim bowling to Behram. Oh, well bowled. Superb Yorker. Superb Yorker that was. Brilliant. Right up in the block hole. Wazim Lund.
Shaba, shaba, shaba.
Oh, well bowled that too.
Hold
Very
it.
good bowling that.
No score now. Take white and do single, एक cheap. यार हाँ.
Ninth.
No.
27 runs so far after 2 overs for the loss of 1 wicket of Arif, being completely beaten by Bazim around the leg side. Here comes Fida. Oh, good shot, and he can be out. Oh, six, good hit, tremendous shot. Third six by Abid Hussain. He is doing a very good job for his side. Oh, good shot. Is he going to be out good? I think that will be very difficult. Should be Kapal. Oh, yes, easy to. Chance to Abid Hussain. So, as Wazim got 2 chances and get his 50, I think he can hit 6s, Abid.
Shaba.
Capability of 4 6s in an over, I think. Oh, good shot. Should be 6. Lovely hit that. That is his favorite shot. Right shot too. Oh, I think that is second 6 of the over to Fida. Abid. Oh, good shot. Tremendous at that. What a huge. Straight like an arrow. Beauty. Third 6 by Abid Hussain. Overall, 5 6s been hit by Abid. Beautiful batting. Oh, it should be no ball. That is a no ball. Really no ball. That's 6, I think. That's a huge hit. That's a huge. That's a 6. Free hit as well. 6 6s by Abid. Superb batting today. Very, very good batting by Abid. Good comeback by Fida. Abid is doing a very good job. 27 was the score. I think 27 2 overs and 28 from the 1 over. I think. Oh, that's good delivery, good comeback, good 2 deliveries by Fida. 28. 45 runs after 2 overs, I think. 55. 55, I think. 55 है ना स्कोर 55 है ना 28 से पहले अब 28 है अब 28 लिखो
मोड़ कितना लगे
28
पहले भी 27 है
पहले
27 है पहले
27 है तो हुन 28 लगे
यार हुन 27 है पहले 27 है
54 है 54 Juma Khan to Bahram. That will be a good contrast, I think. Bahram is doing a good job for his side. Already been 6. Oh, wide delivery, that is right. Second word, I think. Juma Khan round the wicket this time. Oh, is he going to be out caught? Oh, and what a catch by Juma Khan. That is a beautiful catch, I think. Brilliant catch by Juma Khan on his chest. Zain is the new batsman, the captain today, in the absence of Tariq Lihari. Oh, good shot! What a huge that! Unbelievable! Out of the park, I think. Oh, very good shot by Zain, indeed. Good batsman he is also. Oh, well bowled that. Good comeback by Juma Khan. Juma Khan to Zain. Oh, good hit. What a six that. Beautiful. Tremendous hitting by Zain. 2 sixes of the over. Brilliant batting. Maybe just a little bit short this time. Oh, good six shot. We had huge hit. Oh, tremendous six. Third six of the over to Juma Khan. Brilliant batting by Zain. Unbelievable batting. तब क्या करी यार तुम खेलो तब क्या करी उन्हें वाला भी नहीं माने वाला तब क्या करी खेलो तू गाड़ी वाले वाला तब क्या करी